Disruption is transforming the media industry. The use of online media is forecast to grow by 8% per year to almost double by 2025.
Disruption is the destruction of classical value streams and the generation of new profit pools.
In the US, the number of newspapers in circulation has declined by over 20%.
The classical print media is in a strong decline due to online media. You're losing both revenue streams. You're losing the original generation of revenues from selling the newspaper, for example, but you're also losing the revenues from advertising.
While the total spending on media advertising has gone up by 30%, spending on newspaper ads has declined by 20%.
What we often see is a kind of ignorance. It's a way of trying to optimize the existing environment as opposed to saying, okay, what could be my role in this new world?
So what steps do businesses need to take?
I think the first step is really about awareness, understanding that there is a need for change. Second step is really setting the mission level right. Where do you want to go to? Thirdly is organizing for this change, arranging the instruments, the means of doing that. Then it's about action, so really implementing, and last but not least, anchoring the change or the new transformation, measuring the success of the new model. And by this process, you're involving 1% of the top management in the beginning, enlarging the scope to 10% of the management in general, and having then 100% of the company who help you to transform.